Welcome to the Dinges channel. Let's start the discussion about Drupal 9 and upgrade version.
What's new in Drupal 9 and why do we need to upgrade?
Drupal 9 was launched on June 3, 2020. Given this, it would be necessary for enterprises to upgrade to it later or sooner to acquire complete functionality and retain the ability to receive security updates within the bi-yearly cycles. In the past, migrating from one version to another has been similar to moving from another CMS to Drupal, bringing in more time and fatigue. However, the upgrade from D7/8 to D9 is much easier and painless. Let's dive into more details and understand as to why moving on to Drupal 9 would be a better choice.
Why should we upgrade?
With the end of life approaching for Drupal 7 and 8 soon, operating the website on them securely and with complete functionality won't be a feasible option. At the same time, it might also be overwhelming for Drupal 7/8 site owners to know that their website will need the upgrade, especially when their site is running absolutely fine, thereby resulting in confusion among them. Here are 3 reasons why you should consider upgrading your site to Drupal 9. The Drupal security team will soon no longer provide support or security advisories, waiving your websites and its users' cybersecurity 7 and 8 releases on all project pages will be flagged as not supported. The 7th or the 8th of may be flagged as insecure in third-party scans, making the integration with other third-party tools and systems challenging. Leading hosting services providers like Acquia and Pantheon will also soon withdraw their support from D7, leaving you without many options but to assume hosting responsibility for maintaining your application and server-level configurations. The good news for Drupal 7/8 site owners is that even when it goes out of official support in November 2022, remaining Drupal 7/8 sites won't stop working at that point.
Should an existing Drupal 7 site be upgraded to Drupal 8 or 9?
One of the major reasons that more than 700,000 Drupal 7 sites still haven't migrated to Drupal 8 is due to the known challenges in the migration process. And with the majority of people on Drupal 7, it is quite likely that most of them did not want to upgrade their CMS twice in a span of 1 year. A safe bet seems to be migrating from Drupal 7 to Drupal 9. But will the site be secure? Let's get to know a few facts. Since D8 and D9 are similar except for deprecated codes removed and third-party updates in D9, it would be a feasible option for enterprises to migrate to D9 instead of D8 to save them from constantly going through the same process and investing time, money, and efforts unnecessarily. Thank you for watching the Dinges video. Please subscribe the channel and press the like and bell icon, and please share channel with your friends who love coding.